Hello and welcome to Daisy Does Vegas, the next episode. Although it's not really Daisy Does Vegas anymore, is it? Daisy Did Vegas. We need a new name. Daisy Did Vegas. So we're in the process, hopefully, of taking off Daisy's body.
So Daisy's going topless.
Daisy is going topless.
Daisy goes topless.
Daisy goes topless. Should we do that?
Let's go. Daisy goes topless.
Yeah, so following Daisy's little breakage in Spain.
Give it a rest.
Just a small breakage.
A small breakage. A fairly catastrophic small breakage. Only a small cross member which holds the chassis together. I thought it was a good opportunity to fix it properly and fully restore her chassis. So we're going to lift the body off. And
Small job.
well, we'd never done this before. But from what I've read online, I mean, there's very little information on it, but basically we undo 8 bolts, undo some things in the engine bay, plumbing and electrics and steering linkage.
The important stuff.
The important stuff. And then we start lifting it off and test the strength of whatever we haven't disconnected. And I'm hoping to lift it off with the Bobcat, but I don't know, we'll see. It's going to be a learning experience, I think.
So it is literally separating body from chassis, isn't it?
Yeah, so engine stays.
We are lifting the body bit by bit. The higher we go, the more nervous we become, realising we weren't fully prepared for the enormity of the task, and we are more aware that once we lift it so far, that there's no turning back.
Well done, mate.
Thank you, thank you.
There were points.
Yeah, there's a lot of points. nearly done it.
There were moments.
That was literally one of the stupidest and worst things I've ever done. What about you?
Ditto, very much. Oh, I'm never doing that again.
Well, the trouble is, it kind of does need to go back together at some point.
How many other friends have you got?
Do you think it was better with a team of people and just do it by hand?
Oh, that needs to go.
Yeah, I think when we put it back together, the engine will be out and everything will be so much easier.
Yes. You got your polishing cloth?
No.
You know, we've done our involvement, it's your turn.
There's a grease nipple there. I bet that's never been used.
You said nipple.
Right, ready?
Ready? All good?
Say all good, but...
Now that we've removed Daisy's body, we can work on stripping down the chassis and repairing all the rusty bits. The main cross member, the rear axle and body mounts all need fixing or replacing. More on this in our next episode.